Bullish smooth love mixture, SLP. Cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.007324 and $0.013834 by 2030. Market experts accept SLP could reach $0.005696 by 2025. Bearish smooth love mixture market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.001302. Smooth love mixture, SLP, acquaintance when it accompanies play to acquire games, a sheer boundlessness gets everyone's attention. As the principal NFT gaming title to cross $1 billion in deals, it is credited for putting play to procure on the worldwide gaming map. Sky Mavis sent off the game in 2018, yet it required off barely a year ago. Alongside the NFT blast, Axie limitlessness was the previous summer's star convention, topping it close to a portion of 1 million day-to-day dynamic clients DAO. Axie limitlessness is an NFT-supported play-to-acquire blockchain game where players gather beasts known as axies and fight them with other players' axies. It uses 2 tokens in its biological system: smooth love elixirs, SLPs, and Axie endlessness shards, axes. Fundamentally, SLPs are procured by playing the game. In the meantime, Axes is an administration token that enables holders to decide on key choices like game functionalities and depository support spending. Before we assess on the off chance that SLP would be a productive interest in 2022 and the next few years, we should backtrack a bit. We'll meticulously describe the job and utility of SLP in Axie vastness's biological system. Likewise, we will cover the elements influencing the cost of SLP and what's in store plans of Sky Mavis. What is Axie boundlessness? Axie limitlessness support the play-to-procure interactivity model, wherein players are compensated by basically investing energy playing the game. Besides, the players completely own their in-game characters or things as NFTs. They can sell it, acquire from it, or use it for interactivity. This isolates Axie endlessness from the vast majority of the present customary closed-circled games, where advanced things must be utilized in-game. It got to a place that the obstruction to section was too high, in light of the fact that the expense for purchasing the 3 axies expected to play the game was cosmic. In the interim, there are financial backers and business visionaries who can undoubtedly dish out the assets expected to purchase axies, yet don't have the advantage of time to play. This market hole impelled the grant and society programs. Through an Axie grant, the director or society purchases or gives the 3 axies that the player, researcher, will use to play the game and acquire SLP. They expect all the gamble to loan 3 axies to the new player. In return, they procure a portion of their player's benefit. The new clients play to acquire an Axie vastness, permit their supporters to receive a portion of the benefits. Smooth love mixture is presently worth $0.001628 United States dollars. SLP has moved 3.03% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $6,506,158. Smooth love mixture is presently positioned 306 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $68,140,469 United States dollars. Using the general strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling disparity, MACD, from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for smooth love mixture, SLP. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous smooth love mixture, SLP, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Smooth love elixir, SLP. Value forecast 2023 smooth love mixture, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, SLP. The SLP cost gauge for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.002441. Likewise with other digital currencies, the ascent will be continuous. However, no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.002279 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable soon, given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. SLP is supposed to have a base worth of $0.001953. Smooth love elixir, SLP, value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Smooth love mixture SLP cost expectation has a lot of space for development because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives. We guess that the cost of SLP will before long outperform $0.004069. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the SLP's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, SLP will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.003255 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.003581. Smooth Love Mixture (SLP) Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $0.005696 and SLP might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. SLP is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.005208 and a low of $0.004883 in 2025. Smooth Love Elixir (SLP) Value Expectation 2026. On the off chance that Smooth Love Mixture effectively helps market opinion among cryptographic money devotees, the SLP coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, SLP will be green in 2026. The SLP is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $0.007324 with a base cost of $0.00651 and a typical cost of $0.006836. Smooth Love Mixture (SLP) Value Expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the SLP cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $0.008463 by 2027, with a base cost of $0.008138 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, SLP has a most extreme value worth of $0.008951. Smooth Love Elixir (SLP) Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $0.010091. On the off chance that SLP figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $0.010579. Neglecting to assemble the help SLP needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $0.009765. Smooth Love Elixir (SLP) Value Expectation 2029. While SLP is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $0.011393 and a yearly cost close above $0.012206 in 2029. Smooth Love Elixir (SLP) Value Expectation 2030 by 2030.